Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to create decorative mirror by using Lippan Art. So let's start with this DIY. Here I am using circular shape MDF board which is 35 cm in diameter. Also here I have circular mirror which is about 25 cm in diameter. So here I am going to paste this mirror on this MDF board. So here I am creating the marking. Now here I am drawing elephant shape to create template. Now here our elephant template is ready. Now here I am going to draw this elephant shape by using this template and creating a border. Now here I am going to draw some detailing. Now here I am going to use Fevicryl molded clay to highlight this elephant. Now here I am creating clay rope and pasting it on the elephant border. Now here our elephant border is ready. Now I am going to paste the mirror on this MDF board by using Fevicol. Now here I am going to create clay border around the mirror. Now here I am going to apply white acrylic color as a base coat. You can also apply gesso. Now here I am using teal blue shade of acrylic color, applying it around the elephant. Now here I am going to color this elephant with different shade of acrylic colors. Here I am drawing lotus and coloring it with different shades of pink. Now here I am going to highlight clay work with this white acrylic color. I am going to hang this piece to the wall by attaching hook at the back side. Now here I am adding some mirrors. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.